Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin no matter your budget. Today I wanted to make another different type of video, kind of building off my previous video about Nostr protocol and why I think this is self-sovereign web protocol for Bitcoiners. So what I created is called Awake. It's a goal setting app built on top of Nostr protocol, and I just wanted to kind of share the basics of how this works. Maybe you can learn a little bit about public-private key authentication and take that knowledge to Bitcoin. So we have a basic web app here built with React, and so you can log in with an existing private key from if you generated a public-private key pair from a different Nostr protocol, and you can generate your own new key pairs within our app as well. And then additionally, you can save your private key in your browser for auto login. This is a little bit less secure because you're trusting the browser to store your private key for your Nostr pair, but there's another browser extension that I hope to eventually integrate this with that it builds on top of Nostr and allows you to sign into multiple protocols at once. But for now, this is what I built. So you can generate a new key pair, then you'll get your public key here with like Bitcoin, that's like your public address. And then your private key, you can either copy it, just copy it with text and store it somewhere or write it down safely. And you can also just download the private key as a text file, which is another pretty cool feature I added. So you can just keep that file on your computer, keep it safe. The important thing is not to keep your private keys for anything on any type of like cloud note-taking app, or even password managers can be a little risky. Those can have leaks at times. So yeah, so that's the first part. Here we are on the app page. All I have is a basic functionality to add some goals, and yeah, you can clear them and log out. So this is the basic web app I created on top of Nostr protocol. This was super fun and interesting. Creating this with public-private key authentication is so much faster and simpler and more secure than creating a normal web app with user authentication on some kind of cloud server, because you have to handle all that data yourself. Whereas here, everything is hashed and secure, and the only data I'm storing right now is just in the user's browser. So you own that data, and then further down the line, the functionality will include potentially each of all of your goals data will be stored as not as in the Nostr protocol, and will be hashed and sent out as a Nostr message, and then the only way to unhash that message will be with that private key. So that will allow to log in basically on another browser, because in its current functionality, everything is just stored in your browser. It's not actually getting uploaded somewhere, but we will work on that functionality. And let me know if you have any ideas for any features. I plan on expanding this in more ways. My idea was to create some kind of goal tracker that wasn't just super linear, wasn't just like a checklist that you check off. So I had the idea of creating this and kind of making a different type of goal setting, and especially thinking about like more neurodivergent people that don't work well with simple checklists and stuff like that, and having some kind of mind map visualization of all your goals and sub goals. Yeah, so I'll keep you updated. I know this is a different type of video, so let me know if you enjoyed. If you have any questions or suggestions, that would be appreciated. Like and subscribe, that helps out a ton. And as always, together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.